What's the meaning of chest of drawers? Chest of drawers. Chest of drawers.
Chest of drawers. Chest of drawers. A chest of drawers is a type of furniture that typically consists of a set of stacked drawers. It is designed to provide storage space for clothing, linens, and other personal items. The top surface of the chest can also be used to display decorative items or serve as a vanity. Chests of drawers come in a variety of styles and materials, from traditional wooden designs to modern metal or plastic versions. They are a popular choice for bedrooms, dressing rooms, and other areas where additional storage space is needed.